Hello friend, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Lion King coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Timo and Pumbaa. I hope you guys follow along with me and you need something to do with markers, a blue paper and some craft tools. I won't keep you any longer. Let's go to start it. Okay, let's start on Pumbaa first. His nose is light peach. And he has brown fur. Okay, let's color in his hoof darker brown. And I finished color in Pumbaa. Next, let's color in Timo. He has a black nose and his hair is orange. Okay, now let's color in his fur green color. And I finished color in Timo. Now I'm gonna color in this moss green. And let's make this drum of wood round. And I'm all finished coloring Timo and Pumbaa picture. Next I'm gonna cut them shape out of this picture. And paste it on blue background paper. And lastly, I'm gonna frame the pictures. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so brilliant! Timo and Pumbaa just look so cute. I really love them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun video every single day. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!